How to remove first digit from a number. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this intermediate Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove first digit from this range of number. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to use function to solve this problem, and I'm going to use the write function. Okay, I'm going to write here equal to and then write. Okay, now double click here, our text will be, this is the text, and the number of characters will be length function, because I want to calculate how many digits we have in column A. It's not fixed that we will always have 8 digits in column A. If we have 7 digit or 5 digit or 9 digit, what will happen? This is why we are using the length function to count how many characters we have in this range. Okay, and the write function will extract number from the right, and how many characters it will extract? It will extract using the length function all the characters, the length of this cell, but we want to remove the first character. So if I deduct 1 from the length function and close it, it should give us the answer. Here the first digit is 8, and now we don't have 8 here. If I double click, and you can see we have successfully removed first digit from a list of number. Okay, now let's check it also. If I write here equal to len, and this cell number length is 8. Okay, we have 8 character or 8 digit. Now if I drag it to the right, and this is the conversion. Okay, now here we have 7 digit, and we removed the first digit from this number range using formula. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon, and don't forget to subscribe. And the formula will be given in the video description. Please copy it from there. Thank you. Thanks for watching.